Wow. Okay, so hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm checking out the Nothing earbuds. So have some cool features, 6 microphones, built-in like chat GPT, so you can talk to chat GPT when you want to. Cool little box here. All right, we got a charging cable. Nice little earbud covers, has noise cancellation, all kinds of good stuff. The Nothing X app that we're gonna do that. Check this out. Excellent packaging here, instructions. We'll see if we're gonna need those. Right, that looks pretty sick actually. This thing open up here. I believe that's a little charging case as well. Check that out. It's pretty sweet. Very small, compact. We have a USB-C charging port in the back. Right. I'm gonna pop these in. Act like we know what we're doing here. Okay, so right side, red there. That's kind of cool, just as a reminder. So it's got red and black there, and then red and black on the sides. Let's pop these guys in here, shall we? Whoa, that was cool. It was just like, it went click, click, and then like a sigh, like, all right, so I got the Nothing X app here on my phone. I'm gonna hit add device, scanning for those. Found them already, one device found. That was really quick. We're just gonna hit connect. Yep, pair. All right, paired already. Okay, here we are on the app. ETPC's Nothing ear, recognized right away. That's cool. Got transparency, left and right. Left is at 80%, right at 70. That's cool. Bass enhancement level 3, equalizer, low lag, controls default, dual connection, device settings. Well, this app is pretty sick here. In-ear detection, you put it in, it detects it automatically. Ear tip fit test, find my earbuds. That's awesome. Okay, so we also have the AAC or LDAC. If you have, I believe LDAC is strictly for Android devices. Sorry, Apple people, but very cool. I mean, it's basically a higher bit rate of communication, I believe, through the device. Right, so a lot of cool things on here. High quality audio. This audio codec, may cause reduced battery life. So it's loss of personal sound settings if you're an Apple. But I'm on Android. Let's check out the equalizer here. Oh, that's cool. More balanced bass. This has like 6 microphones too, so I'm gonna hook this up to my phone. I'm gonna talk to so you guys can hear the sound on this. Balanced, more bass. Okay, check that out. That's pretty sweet. Voice, and then you can go to custom if you want. You can boost everything. That's pretty sick. And just go around. So very, very customizable equalizer on there. Controls, it's gonna tell you left earbud, like double pinch, decline incoming, triple pinch, skip back, noise control, pinch and hold, double pinch, and then we can check out the right one too, what do we wanna do. So we can set it for whatever we want. I wanna check out this chat GPT thing. That sounds pretty cool. So voice assistant, how do I do that? I'm gonna try to figure this out real quick. So pinch and hold is noise control. Whoa. I shut off like all the noise. That's pretty sweet. Then it has like ambient sounds and then like normal or whatever. But what this also has like a technology to where if it detects like the sound getting through around it, that it'll kick in some extra noise canceling to cancel it out. So that's pretty cool. Let's get into some music here. All right, I'm just going to go on to Amazon Music. We'll pull up something. We'll check. We'll see how the sound is. So far, the noise cancellation on here is pretty incredible. I'm really impressed with it. You held it down, and everything went silent. So if I'm talking a little loud, it's because I can't hear. Oh wow. All right. Wow. Really good sound there. We're going to go to the LDAC low lag mode off, and we're going to kick it up to the audio quality LDAC. Wow. Okay, so there seems to be a significant, sorry, let me turn this down. I don't know if it's just me, but when I switched to LDAC, there seemed to be a significant, how do I say this? As far as there was the bass, and then there was more of a nuance to the bass, if that makes sense. So it just seemed I don't know if it was a placebo thing when I just switched over, but it just sounds a lot more in depth, if that makes sense. So excellent sound quality on these. And then we can go to noise cancellation, go transparency mode, where I can hear everything around me. Very nice if you are doing that, and then off if we don't want either way. But the noise cancellation is very nice, and we can also adjust that from low, mid to high. So I've never seen that. One, usually it's just noise cancellation, and then it's either on or off. This has a different, we have adaptive. So the little touches on here, you just basically squeeze it. Very, very cool, very comfortable, not feeling like they're gonna fall out or anything. Easy to work with. This sync up with the app was crazy fast. I mean, it was instantaneous basically. So the sound quality is excellent, very comfortable. I think they look cool, kind of like a advanced, almost futuristic kind of look to them. They look kind of I like the look of them. All right, these have a quick charge feature too. Right now we're at 80%, case 65, and the right is 70. So if we close this up, it's 5:07 right now. Let's see where we're at in 10 minutes. And that's charging up. Right there, we got a light going on, and it says we're disconnected. So let's give it 10 minutes and see where we're at. All right, here we are, 10 minutes later, reconnect. Wow, look at that, guys. 10 minutes later, we're 95% and 90%. So super quick charging on there. That's really cool. So I've had earbuds before. You listen to music or whatever for a while, and then they're dead, and it takes 3 or 4 hours to charge them up. So basically 10 minutes. That one, they went up 20%. So super long battery life on these. I think they're up to 40 hours. 42 hours in the case, 10 hours of continuous listening time on a full charge here. So that's pretty crazy, guys. Not using this microphone, using these right now, and just talking to let you guys know what it sounds like. So we're just going to do a final review on here. These things are super comfortable. Yeah, they're easy to put in. Setup was crazy fast. I like the case. Case charges it up too. Lots of nice features on the app, as you can see. I like the LDAC because I'm a big Samsung guy, Android stuff. So all in all, guys, just really impressed with the equalizer. I like the equalizer on there. It's got excellent sound quality, excellent noise cancellation, very comfortable, compact, lightweight. What's not to love, guys? Excellent sound quality. Like I said, the music was phenomenal, and I think the LDAC even kicked it up another notch. So pretty impressed with that. These things should have super long battery life. And I'm just talking to you right now. We're going to kind of listen back and see how the audio sounds with these 6 microphones. Well, my friends, final thoughts on these nothing earbuds. These things are pretty sweet. I just tested out the adaptive noise canceling, turned on my Shark vacuum, and then went out in the kitchen where the vent's on and things are cooking and a blender and things like that. Yeah, it seems to, and then trying to have a conversation also. So if you have like the high noise canceling on, it just kind of, whoa, that's weird. So like I'm probably talking louder and not even meaning to, because it's just like, so it's like there. So the buttons on here are super responsive. I went back, listened to the sound on there, decent audio. Of course, if you're having a conversation with someone, should be no problem with that. Also, the sound quality is excellent, very comfortable. The fast charging was pretty crazy, 10 minutes, bit went up like, I think like 20%. So, and the app, super user-friendly, everything. I mean, I'm not the most savviest tech guy, but I mean, it's like just download the app, connect the device, you're done. Take it out of the case, it hooks up automatically. What else? Man, these are very comparable to any other sound ones I have tested as far as just like really good sound quality. Excellent audio, the bass, treble, equalizer, all that. I like the LD, it has the LDAC option. So very cool, guys. Thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll catch you all next time.